Welcome once again. Guys, today we want to find the value of x given that we have x minus 2 all raised to the power 3 equals minus 8. So now let's have it to be solution. Now guys, we have x minus 2 raised to the power 3 to be equals minus 8. Let's collect this one to this side. We have x minus 2 then raised to the power 3 to be equals plus 8. Then we have everything to be equals 0. Now we can have our 8 to be in base 3 as 2 raised to the power 3 to be equals 8. So we can have it here to be as s minus 2 raised to the power 3 plus 2 raised to the power 3 to be equals 0. Now let us recall from this algebraic expression where you have a cube plus b cube. This equals when you have a plus b, then multiply by a square minus ab plus b square. So from here, obviously, we have our a to be equals x minus 2 and our b to be equals 2 from here. And so this implies that we can have this expression back as this as x minus 2 plus 2, then again multiplied by x squared will be x minus 2 all square minus, you can have this as x minus 2 then multiply by 2 plus b squared will now be 2 square, and we have everything to be equal 0. So from here we have this to take away this, we have x, then this will give us s square, then we have to be minus 4x plus 4. And so this multiplied by this, we have it to be minus 2x plus 4. Then we have it to be plus 4. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So from here we have x outside. So from here we have this one to be s square. Then this and this will give us minus 6x. Then 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 will give us plus 12. Then we have everything to be equal 0. So obviously from here, we have our s to be equal 0, or we have s squared minus 6x plus 12 to be equal 0. So we can have this to be the first solution, that is x1. And to get other value of x, let's use formula to be x equals minus b, positive or negative, then square root of b squared minus 4ac, all divided by 2a. So from here we have your a to be the coefficient of x squared is what? 1. Then you have your b to be the coefficient of x equals minus 6. Then you have your c to be the constant value to be equals 12. And so by plugging everything here, we can have our s to be equals minus b will be equals minus out into minus 6, then positive or negative, minus a squared minus 4 multiplied by our a is 1, multiplied by c, our c is 12, then all divided by 2 multiplied by 1. So we have s to be equals 6 positive or negative, square root of 6 squared will be 36 minus 4 times 1 is 4, 4 times 12 will give us 48. then all divided by 2. And so this implies we have 6 positive or negative square root of 36 minus 48 will give us minus 12, then all divided by 2. So from here we have our s to be equals 6 positive or negative. We can simplify this back as 4 times 3 times minus 1. Then we have everything to be divided by 2, which equivalent to when you have x6 positive or negative root 4 multiplied by root 3 multiplied by root of minus 1, then all divided by 2. X will be 6 positive or negative root 4 equals 2 root what? 3. Root of minus 1 is I, then all divided by 2. Now let's distribute this one to be 6 divided by 2, positive or negative 2 root 3I divided by 2. So from here, we have our s to be equals 2 here is 1, 2 in 3 in 6 will be what? 3, then positive or negative. This will cancel this, then we have root 3I. So we can declare finally from here, we have x1 to be equal 0. And so we have s1 to be equal 0 and s2 to be equals 3 plus root 3I, and we have s3 to be equals 3 minus root 3I. So guys, these are the 3 values for the problem given to us. Now to check, we have x minus 2 all raised to power 3 to be equals minus 8. Let's substitute when x equals 0 and see what will happen here. So we have this one to be 0 minus 2, then raised to power 3, then are they going to be giving us minus 8? 0 minus 2 will be minus 2, then raised to power 3, then are they going to give us minus 8? Now we must notice one thing, that when you have negative to the power of odd, always give us negative, and so therefore we have 2 raised to power 3. This will give us 8. So we have minus 8 to be equals minus 8. So that means this is true for the value of x equals 0. Now when you also check for the value of x equals 3 plus square root of this, we are going to get the same thing. Now to check for that, so we have x minus 2 raised to power 3 that equals minus 8. When x equals this one, so we are going to have 3 plus root 3I minus 2 raised to power 3 is it going to give us minus 8. So from here, this and this will give us 1 plus root 3I raised to power 3, then are they going to give us minus 8? So when you expand this, what we are going to have for the first one will be 1 plus root 3I squared, then multiply by 1 plus root 3I, then is it going to give us minus 8? So now from here, when you open this one, we're going to get 2 root 3I minus 2, then multiply by 1 plus root 3i, then it's going to give us minus 8. So from here, we have 2 into root 3i minus 1. Then this one will now be root 3i plus 1. Then it's going to give us minus 8. When you multiply this together with this, you are going to get minus 8 at the right hand side. So if you are new here, once again, don't forget to share, like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more mathematics tutorial videos. Bye bye.